Here's something I got recently. Got it for Christmas actually. This is an Autotransformer, and what it does is it takes the 110 volts nominal input AC and transforms it to 0 to 130 volts AC output. And you start at 0 and you can dial it up to whatever voltage you need. And that's good for a couple of things. One is it's good for bringing up old electronic equipment, like old radios, for example, especially old tube radios, where you need to bring it up slowly instead of applying full power all at once, because the full voltage can pop the caps in it and cause you to have to replace all the capacitors. Another thing it's good for is for powering projects, for variable power to projects. For example, some of you may remember this little project I was working on a while back, and it's just an ammo can with some fire brick in it and a heating element that I wound out of Kanthal wire, and I was hoping to be able to melt aluminum in it. As it turns out, it kind of made the corners a little bit soft on the aluminum, but never fully melted it, so I need more power for that. And this is probably not going to do it, but I'd like to have one of these that's 240 volts and up to about 5,000 watts output. That would do it. But this is up to 2,000 watts output, and with the line that it's running on right now, it won't even do that. But because you can't overload the supply. But let's just test it a little bit and see what happens. So you always have to dial it all the way back to 0 when you start it. So there it is, and let's see if you can see the voltage meter. Okay, there's the voltmeter, and we've got it feeding that heating element. So we'll just dial it up slowly. Right there we've got 50 volts. Let's dial it up a little further. Looks like about 80 volts there. So we'll continue bringing it up. Okay, you can see it's starting to turn kind of orange in there. Let's get up closer. See if we can get a better look at it.